Overpopulation, increased manufacturing, it's plundering our resources and polluting the rest. And the byproducts are ending up in our drinking water, causing increased health problems, including a variety of cancers. Many people are looking to lead healthier lives and are looking for solutions to some of these health issues. We all know that cigarettes are detrimental to our health and cause cancer. But what if there's a substance that we all need to survive, that actually causes a greater variety of cancers and puts people at greater risk? Well, there is, and it's our drinking water. Good afternoon. My name is Thomas M. Grange, and I'm from the Research and Development and Technical Engineering side of water technology. I've worked for the U.S. government and the U.S. Navy. I'm one of the designers of the water purification system that is used by our Navy, other military branches, and in other areas of our government. A government that's putting us at greater risk for illness and cancer by using a substance called chlorine, a known cancer-causing agent, to sanitize our drinking water. We all know that water is essential to human life. Our planet, however, although it is 70% water, 97% is salt water, and unfortunately the remaining 3% is heavily polluted, and that's getting worse every day. As humans, we're 50% to 75% water. So water is essential to our survivability. I'm only going to be able to scratch the surface today as to just how deep this problem runs. But our population continues to explode, and unfortunately the earth and our water supply doesn't grow along with us. Rain may make everything feel fresh and renewed, but it's all recycled water. We don't get any new water on this planet. And everything that we manufacture, just about everything that we flush down a toilet or pour down a sink, ends up in our drinking water and has to be dealt with. If we don't sustain the drinking water, the fresh water that we have left, we cannot survive as a species. And this is not sustainability. Garbage, plastics, chemical pollutants, it's all ending up in our drinking water. So this is our legacy as a species. Oil, fuel components, garbage, and we can't drink it. So what is actually in our drinking water? Bacteria, viruses, and cysts, which can cause great illness and even death, and contamination from microorganisms is becoming greater every day. Organic and inorganic contamination. Chlorine, chlorinated byproducts, volatile organic compounds, pharmaceuticals that people are pouring down the sinks and the toilets, including antibiotics, anticonvulsants, sex hormones, and mood stabilizers, are all finding their way into our water supply, along with toxic metals, arsenic, barium, Erin Brockovich and her chromium, radioactive materials, including radium and uranium and radon. And all of this is documented by the EPA 2011, 2012, 2013, the EOHSC and Environmental in 1997, Pritchard in 2012, and the PFSR in 2009. What does it mean? It means that we have serious issues with our drinking water right now, and it's only going to get worse in the future. These contaminants are responsible for an increase in bladder, colon rectal, breast cancer, brain cancer, esophagus cancer, and the list goes on and on. Morris in 1995 did some research, and 5,000 out of 8,000 cases of bladder and rectal cancer were directly related to the drinking water. And that was back in 1995. The situation has only gotten more crucial. So what do? We have to learn to conserve our drinking water. Ask questions. Do not trust your municipalities if they're telling you that your water is safe, because it is not. Become an educated consumer. Filtration and purification are not the same thing. Not all bottled waters are good for you. Learn the differences. Don't be brand foolish, and consult experts. How do you do this? Attend my workshop on March 6th. Learn the differences between filtration and purification. The differences in bottled waters that you purchase. Which products I recommend to keep you safe and properly hydrated. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you all on March 6th. And by all means, stay hydrated and stay safe.